Hey guys, today I want to show you how to globally update data inside of your CRM AddressTwo. You'll see here I have a search result pulled. I want to just take a quick look here at Mike's account or Mike's contact details. Let's say I want to change his, let's just change his city name from Indianapolis to Indy. I'm going to go back to my query screen here, and I have 5 people pulled up in the search result. I can actually change data in bulk instead of having to go through all 5 of these accounts by clicking on Use This List. Use This List is going to take me to my global update screen. Here I have 7 options that I can globally update inside of AddressTwo, actually in multiple options under each one of these tabs. But for this example, we're going to click on Edit Details. Here's where I can change from one account manager to the other. So let's say somebody leaves your organization and you hire a new salesperson. I can change it from this salesperson to that salesperson. Next, I'm going to go down to Change Account Details, where I want to change the city name from Indianapolis to Indy. And I can do that. I can change, or if anybody's states are blank, I can do that in bulk. But once I change it from Indianapolis to Indy, I want to hit Execute. It's going to pop up and say, hey, that was successfully done. I want to close out of my global update screen, and then I want to click on and open up Mike's account into his full account card, where I can see here his city name was successfully changed. Now, other features that are available to you in the global update feature of AddressTwo, as admins I might add, is I go in here and I want to say, hey, I want to see, let's just say account details, the city, and we'll just use those 5 as an example, is IND. Let's say Mike West, Lynn Driver, all these cool people that I like to do business with came to a breakfast that I hosted. Again, I can go in, instead of individually entering that data in, I can click on Use This List, and I can add an event or a task. So I can say, hey, all 5 of these people came to this event on 1/26. Or I can say, hey, on 2/26, I need to follow up with them. So that's one feature that's available to you. I can bulk add them into one list or take them from one list to another. I can send them an email, so I can put them onto a drip campaign. I can mail merge, so here's where I can upload envelopes to print off, or form letters, or letterhead, or just your envelope labels. I can export this as a CSV. This feature is only available to super users and admins of the account, so I can click on this and it'll upload or it'll download a CSV of all 5 of these accounts. You'll see it downloading right here in my bottom left corner. Be aware that when you download or export as a CSV, these export in alphabetical order by company name. Also, in most cases, as long as you don't have a ton of data that you're exporting, it'll also export your custom fields. So if I scroll over here and look, subscription is one of my custom fields that I exported. So again, that's what it's going to export, and that's all done through the global update feature that you get to by running a search or a query within your system. Oh, and by the way, if you need to delete these contacts in bulk, you can also delete contacts in bulk. Now, another reason I use this is for importing, and I want to make sure to stress that. When you import a list into AddressTwo, you'll see here, and you can visit our importing video here on YouTube. But let's say I imported a list on a Friday, and on Monday I get in to work that list, and I realize that this 2/12 of 15 test list imported incorrectly. So here it is. And let's just say it had first name, last name wrong. The reason I always add to a list when I import is that I can pull this up 5 days later and go, oh, I imported that incorrectly. Use this list, delete it, execute, which I won't do, and then re-import it again. That's why I highly stress using the global update feature, especially and the list feature when you put information into AddressTwo. So that's just a few things in the global update feature of AddressTwo. There's a ton more to cover. Get in, play with it, and don't be afraid of it. If you have any questions, please let us know.